When Duke Cannon wanted to add a hanging option to their Bloody Knuckles hand repair balm, Do It Corporation designed a solution. Do It Corporation's 2 KHY printed hang tab fits securely between the cap and the base of the jar. The sturdy hang tab attractively displays the product face forward on a peg hook or display strip. Digitally printed on plastic material, the colors are accurately matched with Duke Cannon's existing package, and the hang tab stays attractive in any retail environment. Stores can now take the product off the shelves and out of bins and hang them in various locations throughout the store. This display flexibility allows for cross-merchandising options. This product can now hang in the cosmetic aisle or in the tools section, or wherever the store decides are the best sales opportunities.